Welcome to Natural Remedies Cheshire. Today, we're exploring the amazing health benefits of cayenne pepper. This fiery spice does more than just add flavour. It's packed with properties that can boost your health and energy. Ready to spice up your life? Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in with the first benefit that's perfect for those on a fitness journey. Boosts metabolism. Cayenne pepper is known for revving up metabolism thanks to capsaicin, the compound that gives it heat. Capsaicin increases thermogenesis, leading to more calorie burn, even at rest. Studies suggest it can aid weight management by enhancing fat oxidation. Adding a dash to your meals could help amplify your fitness results. Improves digestion. Cayenne pepper stimulates saliva and digestive enzymes, promoting efficient digestion and reducing bloating. A pinch in your meals can make a big difference in digestion, especially after heavy dishes. Relieves pain. Naturally. Surprisingly, cayenne is a natural pain reliever. Capsaicin blocks pain signals by desensitizing nerve receptors. This is why it's often found in creams for arthritis and back pain. It's an age-old remedy that still works today. Supports heart health. Cayenne pepper helps lower LDL cholesterol, promotes healthy circulation, and reduces blood clot risks. Some studies even suggest it might lower blood pressure. A little spice can go a long way in protecting your heart. Fights inflammation. Cayenne's anti-inflammatory properties help combat chronic inflammation, linked to issues like joint pain and heart disease. By blocking substance P, capsaicin can support long-term health while adding flavour. Dealing with congestion. Cayenne can help by thinning mucus and opening nasal passages. Whether it's a cold or allergies, adding some to your soup can provide quick relief naturally. Cayenne stimulates circulation and sweating, key for detoxing. It also supports digestion and the lymphatic system. Add it to a lemon detox drink for a natural cleanse. Adding cayenne to your diet is easy. Sprinkle it on eggs, soups, or smoothies. Start small and increase as you adjust to the heat. Or try cayenne supplements. And that's a wrap on cayenne pepper's health benefits. From metabolism to heart health and detox, this spice does it all. Ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments if you already use it or plan to start. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay spicy.